Hey everyone, this is Chris with Flat Six Motorsports, and today we're going to be installing a Cargraphic muffler and the OPF bypass pipes on this 718 GT4 to unleash the full sound of this motor. So let's get the car on the lift. So while I've got the OPF filters off, I just want to take a moment to kind of explain what their purpose is and why we're removing them today. The OPF filter has been introduced in cars that are direct injected to help reduce the amount of carbon and soot that's produced by them. And in a continent like Europe or Asia, where they're really trying to crack down on emissions laws, these are required on vehicles, and they'll have a sensor system to be able to tell if they're currently working. The filters are regenerative, so they don't need to be replaced like a normal catalytic converter would be. And on the US models, we find that they don't have any sensor connections, so you can actually remove them and the car won't be able to tell that they were never on the car. So the Cargraphic ones that we have here are for the US market, so they don't have any sensor connections, so we don't have to block anything off. And they're completely hollow with this large resonator can right here, which is gonna help maintain some of the original tone that Porsche had designed into this exhaust. So let's get these on the car along with our muffler. Our full system will be installed, and then we'll get to hear it. So now that we've got this full system installed, let's hear what it sounds like.
Mm-hmm.